Good evening students, how are you all? Today I am again with you to teach you something about science. It is related to class 8th and the basic I am going to tell you about cell, that is the level of organization of human beings. Okay students, now I am going to tell you about the level of organization. This pyramid shows the level of organization. Level of organization means what our body is made up of. You all know that our body is made up of smallest unit called cell. Cell when combines, they form tissue. Tissues when combine, they form organs. When organ combines, they form organ system. And when different organ systems combine, they form a full-fledged organism. So this is the level of organization. From cell to tissue, tissue to organ, organ to organ system, and then full-fledged organism. Now, this is the basic structural unit. The basic structural unit in human body is cell. Firstly comes the cell. Cell is the basic unit of an animal structure. It becomes specialized to perform function. When two or more cells combine, they form tissues. And what are tissues? Tissues are a group of several different types of cells performing a specific function. For example, connective tissue. Connective tissue in human body transport blood. On the other hand, epithelial tissue. This is the tissue present in the skin, which form the skin. When different tissues, such as connective tissue, epithelial tissue, they combine, they form organs. So what are organs? Organs are made up of different types of tissues that work together to perform specific function. As you all know that kidneys, heart, liver, lungs, these are various kinds of organs. They are the combination of tissues and they perform very specific functions such as heart used to pump blood, kidneys used in excretory system, uses excretory organ, etc. When these organs such as heart, kidney, liver, lungs, mouth, these combines, they form organ system. What are organ system? Organ system made up of organs that work together to perform specific function. And what are different types of organ system? Organ system such as digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system, etc. Here different organs combine and perform function. Lastly, when organ system combine, they form organism. Thank you students.